Hello, it's Monday the 9th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now we have GDP data due out this week. It's expected to be flat for July and it's expected to confirm 0.8% growth for the 3 months to July. That will be the final data related to Sunak's time as Prime Minister, where Starmer and Reeves have been blaming the Tories for everything that they inherited, and indeed any unpopular decision they need to make. Those days are now numbered. Indeed, Starmer was on TV yesterday. He had to defend the decision that put the public sector workers ahead of the pensioners when allocating those very limited funds. And that decision could not be pinned on his predecessors. Unemployment data is due out tomorrow. The unemployment rate should stay there or thereabouts, around 4.1%, and average earnings are expected to be lower. The key question there is whether average earnings will be low enough for the MPC to vote for another rate cut, or whether they will feel that a pause will be more prudent in order to let the dust settle after last month's cut. Now, over in the US, Non-Farm Friday produced 142,000 new jobs for August. As always, we had a belter of a sweepstake, and congratulations go to Mark Rose this time, who took the top spot on his own, despite many bids for #TeamUnder this time around. Added to that, July's miss was also revised down to 89,000, and although that was not bad enough to nail down a 50 basis point rate cut, especially where average earnings rose to 3.8%, up from 3.6%, the data was certainly not good enough to completely quash the idea. So the debate continues. On one hand, JP Morgan chief economist has been saying that a 50 basis point rate cut may still be the right thing to do. Contrary to that, BlackRock sent a note to investors suggesting that a 50 basis point cut may signal concern rather than confidence in the economy. Either way, the Fed need to tread a pretty fine line at their next meeting. The market was pretty nonplussed by the employment data, and the dollar lost a little ground on Friday. The dollar index fell below 101, but did recover to close out the week around 101.20. And we kick off the new week starting this morning around 131.15 against the dollar, 118.50 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 110.70 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.